on the shed, Adam? It's Gator, Toby, and that's Gator, and this is Toby.
Over. What?
Haha, Gator, can I see you?
I'm not over.
There, Gator. Uh-oh, Henry is here. That's Henry. Look who's here. It's Luke. Yes, it's Luke. Hi, Luke.
What?
What? What? You don't have space. Oh no, Henry. Who's that?
Look.
Oh,
I'm putting him in the...
Look.
Wow.
Look who is here. It's Luke.
He was scared with Thomas.
Mr. Luke. Yeah, right?
Ma, he's going to go in the wreck.
Haha. Okay, Henry. Whoa, Henry. No way. No way. Yay. Wow, wow. Oh, he's going on the lifting bridge. Lifting bridge.
He's breaking through.
Nah.
He's going
Okay, look at what Adam's doing. Is it going to live?
Yeah.
Oh!
What's happening?
Yeah, it's backward. Yes. But it's still, they went down here. Right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine they went down here instead of going down there?
Right.
Wow. That's an opposite. Yes. Aha.
Mama.
Ah.
He's story because look.
Number 6 is Percy.
They're green. They're the same, white green.
They're the same like Henry. Henry,
I
number
know
3.
Henry is green.
Yeah.
He's green.
Percy is green.
Ma, he's going to cry.
Where? That's yeah, something happened again to Henry. He crashed. Yeah, right? Yeah, no. Whoa. It's always crashing. Yeah. Rocky. That's a Rocky tunnel?
It's not tunnel. Ma, he's going to cry.
Whoa, another huge train. Goodness. Boom, boom.
It is Gordon. He's not going fast.
Gordon. Hi, Gordon, you have to help them. Hurry up.
He's
Go.
not breakdown.
You go, Gordon. You have to hurry up. James needs your help. Somebody help James. Oh my goodness. There you go. Everyone is going back up. My God. Wow. Somebody is a superhero. And look who is it. Who is it? It's Adam, the superhero. The train master. Yeah. Everyone was back up. Because the hero came along. And you know it's Adam. Whoa. Wow. Okay.
I have a turn to the other way.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching again. Can you say that, Adam? That's great shape. Okay, Adam. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Watching with Peter. Goodbye.
Bye.
Crashing. Boom. Boom. Boom.